All right, so this video is how to do a review. So let me show you first how you can start giving a review. Basically, you can go here to the reservations tab, and you're going to be able to see all the reservations here and the ones that need to be reviewed. And you can see right now we have 7. You can change these categories by seeing completed or current, upcoming. So that's one way to get to the reviews. Another way is going to be here at the dashboard. The dashboard, as you can see here, this is just kind of an overall, dashboard. And you can see them here. You can go to pending reviews, and that's another way to do it there. And it actually just takes you to the same place. So it just depends on whatever works for you. Sometimes they all don't show here. Sometimes you might see them on the second page. So that dashboard is good so you can see the total reviews. But once we get them caught up, everything should be pretty easy. But okay, let's go ahead and go through a review so you can see an example. We'll start over here with the last one, or the most furthest one, I guess you could say. And all you do is click review. This is also where you're going to use Podio. So it's going to have 3 things that you're going to give him, pretty much rate them on. So let's actually go back real quick. I want to show how to go back. So whenever you do the review, I'm going to move me over here. You also want to open up the message tab. So you have here the tab for the review, and then you have here the tab for the message. The message tab is just so you can kind of overall see how the conversation went. So we'll kind of start from the beginning. It looks like she got approved and everything. She has 12 reviews, so she seems like she's already, she knows what she's doing. She's a pretty good guest. Scroll down. Conversation looks overall good. Had to place to work, so she just came to work. Oh yeah, this was the lady who she didn't sleep, she just stayed to work. But as you can see, one of the main reasons we look at this conversation is just to see that communication, and it seems so far like she's been communicating well. So yep, just good communication. She told us everything, answering questions, and yeah, that's going to be pretty much it. So yeah, so it looks like she had good communication, so we can give her a 5 for communication. And then the other place we're going to go is Podio here. You go to this tab, make sure that you are in the depending on your access, you might have multiple networks, but just make sure you're in the short-term rentals. Then you go to the Airbnb cleaning log, and then we're going to scroll down to the bottom on this left side, click on the quick view so you can kind of see them a little bit better. And then we're going to go to, her name was Marie. And as you can see, Marie stayed at Midmod. Okay, and she gave, pretty much the cleaner gave her a 5 for cleanliness and a 5 for house rules. And that's the main thing we're looking out to really see. And then after that, we just go back to the review. 5 for cleanliness, 5 for house rules, and I guess we'll host her again, and then we'll write a little paragraph here. So, Marie was a great guest, communicated well, and left place in great shape. Recommended, welcomed back anytime. And just copy it and then you paste it there. Other than that, that's pretty much how you do a review. Pretty simple. And if there is something that happens privately, you can change kind of what you put here, but as a rule of thumb, I just copy and paste. If nothing out of the ordinary that happens that we didn't tell her privately, which is pretty much 9 times out of 10. And that's it. Just submit review. And that's it. and then there's the other ones left. And that's how you do a review.